Do you know that YouTube can actually push your video? Yeah, YouTube can actually push your video, but the reason your video is not actually being pushed is because there are some things you are actually neglecting. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you everything, all the things you need to know in order for YouTube to actually push your video, because it's not by magic. It's just some things you need to actually put in place and you're going to be getting the view. So I will advise you stay from the beginning to the end of this video, because the fourth thing I'm going to say in this video is actually very important and you've actually missed everything. So I want you to stay from the beginning to the end of this video. I'll be taking you to my screen and I'll be showing you everything you need to know. And first of all, let me just give a recap of what I'm going to be telling you in this video. First of all, you need to always put your video in a playlist. That's one thing you need to know in order for your video to get recommended by the YouTube algorithm, because the video needs to always be in a playlist. Then you also need to make use of end screen. I know a lot of people who don't really know what's end screen. End screen is that thing that shows after you have watched a video, like that 2 videos that shows. That's the way of YouTube recommending your videos to other people. So you need to make use of end screen. Then you need to make use of cards. Yes, cards. I'm going to show you everything on how to actually do all this on your video. That's why I need to stay from the beginning to the end of this video, so that I'm not going to miss any point, because everything I'm going to say in this video are very, very important. Because
so now you're over to the desktop version of your YouTube Studio. Yes, I'll be using the desktop version of my YouTube Studio. That's what I'll be using to like show you everything I'm talking about. So now I'm just going to select a random video I've already uploaded on my channel. I'm going to select a video and I'm going to create a playlist here. If you actually want your video to actually get recommended by the YouTube algorithm, you need to always put your video in a playlist. Try as much as possible to add your video to a playlist. So we're going to create a playlist and I'm going to give the playlist a title. So let's say the playlist is on how to grow a YouTube channel or stuff like that. So I'm going to put in all the videos I've talked about: YouTube growth, how to grow YouTube channel, YouTube SEO, the algorithm, how to get the algorithm to push your video and stuff like that. I'm going to put them inside this playlist. That's how it's meant to be. You're going to put all the video inside this playlist. Then I'm going to click on create. You can add your description if you want to. Then I'm going to click on save. Always click on save, because if you don't save it, it's not going to work. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to enter save. So the next thing we're going to do now is to I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on show more. I'm going to click on show more. Then I'm going to click on it again. Then scroll to the right side and you see subtitle, end screen and cards. So now I'm going to click on end screen. End screen is actually very important. You need to make use of the end screen, because this end screen is how YouTube is going to recommend your videos to other people. Like after people finished watching this a video you uploaded, if you put end screen is going to pop up at the end of that video. In that way, YouTube has recommended your first video, and once your viewers are able to watch your first video, from your first video they will be able to watch your other videos. So I'm going to select a video I'm going to use as my end screen for this video. So we're just going to select a video. Okay, I think I will go with So if you are watching to this point, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and don't forget to like this video. So I'm going to select this video. I think this video is actually okay for users of as end screen. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, choose a specific video. I'm just going to select anyone. So you see now, this is it.
Now the next thing you need to do next is to make use of the YouTube cards. Like this is actually very important, because a lot of people actually ignore this part. Because see, what I'm saying is that if you actually ignore these things I'm saying, your video is not going to still get views. If you like use SEO, upload videos every day, your video will still get views. That's why you actually need to take note of all these things I'm mentioning, because they are actually very important for your video to actually get the views and the subscriber, obviously. So you need now, the next thing you need to do now is to make use of the YouTube cards, and I'm going to be showing you on how to add that to your video. I'm going to be walking you through everything. So that's why I need to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, because I'll be dropping more tips and for you to help you like grow on YouTube, because we are all creators and we are all learning from each other and we're growing together. So let's get straight over to it, right?
So now to add your YouTube cards, you just click on cards. So it's going to bring you to this interface. There you're going to click on channel. There you're going to search your channel name. It's your channel name that you're going to search, unless you want YouTube to recommend another person's video. But me, I'm going to search for my channel, Anthony Studio, and it popped out. So I'm going to click on it. Then you're going to write a custom message. You just add the name, the title of your video. You're just going to put it here, same thing. So the title of the video, that's what you're going to put here too. So you just do that quickly. How to get views on YouTube fast. So we're going to click on it. This second teaser test too, the same thing, just put in the title. So we have to get view faster.
If you find this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and like this video. Give it a thumbs up and tell me what you think about the video. Do you like it, or what do you really expect from this channel? Another video from this channel again. So I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.